Olá a todos. Hi everyone, how are you? So today we're here to discuss a little bit about a specific use case where we can leverage AI and computer vision and how both of those technologies, when they are blended together, they can create a more efficient and bring more value to your customers, okay? So a quick introduction on who we are. So LOGICALIS is a Microsoft partner for a long time. So we basically have all the solution partner designations, they're important ones. And we've been awarded in the Partner of the Year awards for 2022 and 2023 in Brazil and America Latina. Basically, all the data and AI awards, digital transformation awards, everything that is connected to the digital transformation and data AI markets. So we've been delivering over 250 data AI projects so far using the Microsoft solutions that we're going to present today. And to start that, let's understand a little bit better how we can use these Microsoft solutions and AI to help customers. So it's all about, in our vision, how you can better use the solutions and technologies that are available, okay? So imagine a world where you only had computer vision in one hand, or you only had the natural language processing with LLMs in the other hand. The real thing is that both of those technologies, they can be used together, separated, and all of them, they have specific use case where they excel, where they are better than each other. So for example, computer vision is more traditional machine learning, where you train the algorithms, where you prepare your models, you train your models using deep learning. And the Gen AI, the new modern AI solutions, it's more a ready-to-use solution specific for many specific scenarios, and especially when you're talking about conversational AI, it's very good at doing that. So how can we use both of the solutions together in the same architecture, delivering more value to our customer and bringing a less expensive solution and higher performance? So let's understand a little bit of what we did for one of our customers. This specific customer, it's a big company. It's an electric power transmission line company in Brazil. So as you might know, Brazil is a big country. It has like 6,500 kilometers from north to south. So transmitting energy, maintaining this entire solution working, it's very difficult, as you may think. So especially when you are in a government agency and you don't have that much funds to make that thing keep working and improving. And the thing is, we really do want to do the best we can in the maintenance to keep the things working, okay? So what were the current processes of maintenance that this big company did? So basically, they use helicopters and they use drones to fly over the lines. Imagine this big country with many miles or kilometers of energy lines that need to be recorded and understand the problems that could happen, because the proactive maintenance is always better than to fix something that is broken. Because as you guys can imagine, when you're transmitting energy, when you break the transmission, it can cause many problems to like hospitals, schools, food distributions, etc. So energy distribution is very important that you keep them always working. So how it was made before we implement our AI solution for this specific customer. Basically what they did on the flyover over the network, so they recorded it and a helicopter and drones, they store all those many megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes of video, and after that they have a team that was looking at the videos trying to find the problems. For example, is there a rust in the towers? Maybe it's a bird nest that could affect the line transmission. Maybe it's an isolator that has a problem, can cause a malfunction in a whole piece of the system. So the thing is, it was very hard. So many people were needed and looking at those videos for a long time to understand what was happening, to dispatch the proactive maintenance crew. So this is the challenge, because in our understanding, as much as we understand the customer challenge, we better deploy the AI solutions. So how we approach this? So basically, we started with a solution with much, we tried everything to do everything with computer vision at the beginning. It worked. But the thing is, when we're talking about 2.5 terabytes of video for each recording, the thing is, this is going to be slow, and this is going to be costly for the customer, because there's too much video, too much data to be analyzed. You need to cross-reference that with ArcGIS information. You need to cross-reference that with the models that we train to analyze if there's something wrong with the model. So that's when we really got deep into how the customer did that, the human did that, and we understood that when the helicopters were doing the flyovers, their technicians, they did some comments on the problems. Like, for example, when they saw rust like this, they said, hey, rust in Tower A. Or they see a bird nest, they say in the audio, hey, there's a bird nest at some point. So then we decided to do something different. We decided to use AI to understand the conversation that was happening in the video. With that, we extract all the conversation in the video, we translated that with speech to text, and we created a model that could learn from basically the real world, from the human interactions that were happening. So what we did after that, we have like slices of the video where we had those specific scenarios when someone was really saying, hey, this is a bird nest, this is a problem in towers. So we basically ran a machine learning model on that and created the model that would run over the entire video. But the thing is, now that we know which specific pieces of the video that we should work, that really have, or probably they have problems, because we have a human commenting on that. So then we strip the video in pieces and just use those small pieces to go through the computer vision algorithms. So with this, we were able to reduce the cost from the initial approach that we had with only computer vision by 80%. And the final solution, the customer was able to reduce by 95% their total team that needed to take care of those dispatchings and problems and understanding. And they were able to use those people to work on new proactive maintenance solutions for the energy network. So this was improving many sides of our customer. So I'll let you guys with a quick video so you guys can see the solution working.
The transmission line inspection system was developed using the Microsoft Cloud platform in partnership with the Engineering, Technical, and Budget Coordination Department. The solution uses the data stream embedded in the videos to spatialize the information, making it possible to locate a given structure based on its geo-referenced representation. In cases where defects are found, the inspector records them using voice recording, using computer vision and natural language processing techniques. It was possible to automatically transcribe the recordings and, from these transcriptions, identify among the most frequent terms those associated with possible problems and, consequently, their spatial location and section in the video. Based on this information, images of defects in transmission line components were extracted. Subsequently, these images were utilized for the training of models designed for object detection purposes.
So if you guys are interested in knowing more about our solutions and how we've been helping many customers around the world, please hit pt.logicalis.com to talk with us. Thank you.